Good morning. It's February 10th. Just wanted to film a little bit of my progress. I started these kale, they're dwarf blue curly kale. I started them around January 10th indoors under grow lights, and they've grown to this size. It's now February, and I'm in Maryland Zone A, and I'm really hopeful if I plant these in now and put them under cover, maybe they'll survive. I do have curly kale there that I had from last season, and it looks like it's holding up quite well. So this is part of my experiment. I just want to see how this works. So I have these planted here. Just wanted to show you progress. This will be the last one I'll put in. I have a mixture of dwarf blue curly kale. Here's some ornamental fringe kale in between. I think these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then I'll have that last curly kale in that spot next to that last curly kale. So I'll keep some progress and give some updates to see how this goes, but we'll see how things turn out. Right next to it, I have some chives and bunching onion spread out. I put in some onion over there as well, in some rows, and I just cover them with leaf mulch just to give a little bit of added protection. But apparently, onion or allium family type plants can handle a frost, so we'll see how that works out too. This is only my second year gardening, so there's a lot to be learned. But thank you for watching this, and I'll keep you guys updated as the year goes on. Thanks.